Hey everyone, what's going on? Joey here. As you know, I film every single event that takes place down here in the Wildwoods. Whether it is a protest, whether it is some kind of rally, whatever it is, if it happens in the Wildwoods, I film it for you guys to check it out. Now today we do have an event. It is I don't really know the official name of it, but it's a boat parade to help support law enforcement, veterans, and it's a pro-Trump boat parade. I mean, it's many different things in one, but that's pretty much the sum of what this is. I know it's a little bit political. You know, I don't really like doing politics on this page, but it is an event down here, and so I filmed it for you guys with my drone. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up, and be nice to each other in the comment section, guys. Once again, this is not a political post. I just want to share with you all these boats in the harbor, because supposedly there's like 3 miles of boats. So let's get... there you guys go. I've never seen that many boats in that harbor before. Obviously, we've seen Champagne Island with a ton of people, but it looks like they kept going all the way up to the Lazy Bass, and they're like kind of sitting in a circle there, and they're making their way down and going back and forth. I don't know how many boats to even guess. It looked like between jet skis and boats, maybe 200 plus, but I don't know the official number. There's probably some number floating around anywhere online somewhere. I have no idea. Anyway, thank you for joining me. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. I'm Joey, and I'll see you guys on the beach. See you later. Bye.